This is my garage and I have plenty of stuff in here, so we need to clean this up and we are going to place a 5-tier shelf rack. So let's do unboxing and installation with me. And this is how the product looks like. Let's see everything that is inside. So we have these 5 rack shelves. There we can see all the metals accessories that it comes with, and in here are all the things that we will need to install it, including hammer, small accessories, and of course the manual instruction. So let's start the assembly, and obviously I received a little bit of help from my brother. Assembly was actually pretty straightforward, and I really like that you can adjust the shelf heights depending on what you need to store. The 5-tier design gives you plenty of usable space, while the open wire mesh shelf keep everything ventilated and help prevent water and moisture from pooling on the surface. The steel construction feels sturdy once everything is in place, and each shelf is designed to hold up to 600 pounds with a total capacity of 3,000 pounds. Another detail that I appreciate is the hammered edge design, which helps reduce sharp edges while you're putting everything together. And I really love the fact that you can also configure the shelving as one tall unit or split it into 2 separate units, which give you a lot more flexibility depending on your space. And here's the final result. I'm really loving it. Everything finally has its own place. The garage looks so much organized, so I definitely recommend it. It is a practical upgrade.